In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jasper AI to write email subject lines. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a blank screen to a tight set of compelling subject lines you can use right away. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Jasper app. When the page loads, make sure you're on the home area. This is the central workspace where you can move quickly without juggling different templates. If you don't see it right away, glance at the left sidebar and click Home. That brings you to the main dashboard where you can prompt Jasper for fast, targeted outputs. Now, locate the Ask Anything field. Think of this as a simple conversation box. You tell Jasper what you want, who it's for, and how it should sound. The more context you give, the better the output. Since we're focused on email subject lines, your instructions should emphasize brevity, urgency, and curiosity, so your message stands out in a crowded inbox and stays readable on mobile. Click into the Ask Anything box and type your prompt. You can use this example word for word. Write 5 catchy email subject lines for a 20% off summer sale on fitness clothing. Make them short, urgent, and curiosity driven. This works because it sets a clear quantity, names the discount, anchors it to a season, identifies the product category, and defines the tone. Short signals scannability, urgent invites time sensitive phrasing, and curiosity driven encourages a hint of the benefit without revealing everything. Once your prompt is ready, click send or press enter. In a few seconds, Jasper will return multiple options. Review them with 3 filters in mind: clarity, punch, and fit. Clarity means the line is instantly understandable without extra context. Punch means it uses strong words, numbers, or time cues to grab attention. Fit means it sounds like your brand and meets your audience's expectations. If something is close but not quite right, refine your prompt and try again. You might ask for a warmer tone, add a character limit for small screens, or name a specific audience while keeping the same core request. Watch for spammy cues like all caps, excessive punctuation, or vague promises. Aim for concise, concrete wording that still feels intriguing. And that's the full workflow. Open Jasper, go to Home, use the Ask Anything box, paste a clear prompt, and send. With this simple process, you'll generate a focused list of strong subject lines, quickly narrow to the best options, and get your campaign moving with confidence.